oftentimes when I clean the exterior of my glass, I see how dirty the inside of my windshield and the inside of my side panel glass is. Now, how do you clean the interior of the glass? That's a question we get a lot here at Adams Polishes. And actually, there's sort of a secret tip that is very effective at cleaning the interior of your glass. And that tip is actually a product, which is Brilliant Glaze. Now, the fogginess that happens on the interior of your windshield derives from off-gassing. Now, off-gassing happens when VOCs or volatile organic compounds off-gas out of your plastic, leather, or even your carpets. And when there isn't fresh air circulating through your car, those VOCs settle onto your glass or your windshield, and that's what creates the fogginess on the inside. The food grade solvent that's in Brilliant Glaze with the wax as well as the minor abrasive that's inside here really cuts through the VOCs from the off-gassing, making the inside of your glass crystal clear. Now, step one with Brilliant Glaze is you're gonna take the bottle, pop the top, and you're going to put Brilliant Glaze onto the gray microfiber applicator, and even get sort of into the corners as well, because that's actually going to help you when you get into applying the Brilliant Glaze onto the interior glass. Starting either on the side or in the corner, create an outline of where you're going to work and then fill that in, going from top to bottom and then side to side. And remember, we put the Brilliant Glaze onto the corner of the applicator, so you can really use that to get into sort of the corners or the crevices of your windshield. Don't wipe it off right away. You want the Brilliant Glaze to fully haze over, meaning the solvent to come all the way out of it. So what I like to do actually is move to the driver's side and do the same process. By the time you're done doing the driver's side, you can now come back to the passenger side and you're going to wipe off the Brilliant Glaze. So instead of folding the towel the traditional way, you're going to fold it corner to corner, and it's going to make a triangle. Now, once you have it as a triangle like this, you lay it on your leg, put your hand facing upwards, and you take one corner, set it inside your hand, grasp it with your thumb, take the other corner, go around and grasp it with your thumb again. And what it does is sort of creates a microfiber towel glove with this loose corner at the top. And now what you can do is you can take that loose corner and shove it into the crevices while you wipe, and it makes wiping off the Brilliant Glaze on the interior much easier. And also, utilizing the back of your hand to wipe off is less stress on your body. You don't have to contort and get in uncomfortable positions. Just use the back of your hand. If you're going to treat your side panels of glass too with the Brilliant Glaze, go ahead and move on and do that as well. Brilliant Glaze, interior of your glass, one of the best products, one of the best tips that I can give you in regards to using Adams Polishes products in different ways. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.